Like, share, and subscribe. I stumbled on. Okay, if you want to make money, watch Grandpa tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Grandpa makes money, and you can do exactly what Grandpa does. It's easy. Easy, easy, easy. See Grandpa moving his mouse around on these pretty Japanese candles. Hey, I'm going to go through my candle charts with you. Uh, there's some things going on right now with the blinking that I think you'd be very interested in. They are up at 273.80 shorting the market, and it's been pulling us up. And I got a couple other numbers to talk to you about that I think you're going to find very interesting. But yeah, if you want to do well, like Grandpa does well, watch Grandpa trade live and find out about the blinking. If you can learn to understand and see the blinking clearly like Grandpa does, you can make a lot of money. I'm going to show you how I do it tomorrow, day trading. And each and every day at 9:30, I plan to keep doing it. Now, what happens if Grandpa doesn't? What would happen if Grandpa doesn't make money? Live. When you're watching Grandpa live, what happens if Grandpa doesn't make money? After all this talk and after all the big talk, what happens if Grandpa doesn't make money? Well, you know what Grandpa's going to do then? Grandpa's going to go fishing. I'm just teasing you. But anyway, I'm excited about tomorrow, and we will make this happen. Okay, so let's talk a little bit. I'm going to talk a little bit about substance here. Powell came out, and the Fed held interest rates steady, and he must have been fairly positive about all that. Fed rate interest rate hikes because everything seemed to go up. But what Grandpa's seen in the blinking, I made a killing today in my other shares, by the way, other than the one that I'm going to live stream and show you that I know what I'm doing, hopefully. It's a lot of pressure to take and live stream and trade in front of everybody, but I'm going to do it just because I can. The blinking tells Grandpa what to do. And you can learn this blinking that Grandpa keeps talking about. Okay, so what did they do to pull this market up? Up and away. And, Grandpa forgot to write down one of the main numbers. Oh, there, I got it. I thought I didn't have it. Okay, so the main thing that they did today to pull us up to where we're currently at, which is right around 206.12, something like that, $206. I think we're going to see 217 tomorrow. Very likely. Very likely we're going to see 217 tomorrow. They early on they were blinking up at 217.70 shorting, okay, times 1, and then they moved it to 217 times 3 for several hours this afternoon. Very steady blinking, 30 times a minute approximately. And at the same, they did that for an hour or two, and then for about an hour they started blinking at 215, $215 shorting, selling times 7. That's 700 shares per blink. About 20 times a minute, best Grandpa could count. Grandpa can't count very good, you know. But bottom line is that is what pulled us up. And currently, 1465, they're shorting a little bit times 1 sporadically, but they're shorting more over at the 273, 274 area. They're shorting up there, and that's really where they want to pile in their shorts, because their shorts that need to be activated are all 269 to 280 area, and they will go to 280. You will see 280 in your future, in Grandpa's humble opinion, because we have massive substance up at 280, anywhere from 269 to 280. So them being at shorting at 273.70 or what 80 or whatever, they're just adding to their positions. Just like on the bottom side currently, throughout the day, we have substance, a place that you would want to buy shares at 190. They did it times 1 for a while. They did it times 2 for a while. They bought at 187. They bought at 199. 187, like I said, 194. And they're still piddling around at 194. So that's what they're doing. And they're buying down there. On substance on the bottom side, on the buying side, and you will see these places in your future, are 184.50. We have minor substance, but you will see that number. 190, we have strong substance. Or it's getting to be strong. 194 to 196 obviously is going to come before 184, and there's substance there. So that's the bottom side. And they're really doing a good job at making substance in the 215, 217 area. I think there, like I say, there's a strong possibility you're going to see 217 tomorrow, and we'll watch that blinking and we'll see how high they're going to go. Does Grandpa know for sure they're going to go to 280? Absolutely. Does Grandpa know they're going to go to 184.50? Absolutely. Which one's going to come first? I don't know. Grandpa hardly knows anything. It's terrible. All I know is you're going to see both those numbers. Every place of substance I call out comes true. I know because I see the blinking. All day and all night, Grandpa sees blinking till 8 o'clock at night. And they tell Grandpa what they're going to do. Hey, let's talk a little. I'm going to go through my candles, by the way. I'm going to go through my candle chart for you before I leave here. But see my mouse moving? You know what that means, don't you? That means Grandpa's alive. But 10101 is an important number. 10107, $101.07. They bought there the other day, 500 shares a blink till 8 o'clock at night. And they did some in the pre-market too. And Grandpa thinks there's a strong possibility that in your future you're going to see 101.07. I don't know it for sure. I don't positively know it's a place of substance. All I know is they had no reason to go there, and they did. They had no good reason to go down there and buy in advance down there the other day, but they did it. Murphy's crying. He wants out of his pen because Grandma came home from shopping. Okay, remember, tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m., Grandpa's going to trade live, and you can watch Grandpa make money, and hopefully you'll learn how to make money. It's not hard. It's not complicated, okay? Okay, so the 2-minute chart is currently a sell signal. I think all it's going to amount to is probably a bear flag because I think we're heading towards 217. My luck and your luck, it'll go up there overnight and then it'll go down to 184.50. Who knows what these guys will do? 5-minute chart in the pretty Japanese candles is a sell signal. After hours here. 15-minute is it's the hull says it's still a buy signal. I you know, that's not a sell signal, so I can't help you with the 15-minute chart. We're still in a buy signal. I like I say, I think it's probably just going to be a bear flag, and we're going to head right back up, or sideways till morning. I think we're very likely going to see 217 tomorrow. I don't know it for a fact, just based on what I've seen in the blinking the last half of today. Tells Grandpa stuff. You just never know for sure what these guys will do. 30-minute chart, we're still on a buy signal on the beautiful Japanese candles. Grandpa really likes candles. The only problem with candles is they're a lagging indicator. The blinking is instant. Grandpa knows very often the color of the candle or whether it's going to go up or down based on the blinking is instant. It's real time what the market makers are really doing far out from the price point. Just like they're blinking at the 273, 70 something range right now. They're shorting up there at 273.80, okay? And they're doing it right now. The buying is off right now. They're not buying anywhere that Grandpa can see currently. Let me check something. I'm going to check something quick. See if sometimes they want to do stuff sneakily and try to trick Grandpa. No, they're not. They're up there 273.78 and they're shorting up there. And that's the only thing that they're doing after hours right now. They're adding to their short positions up where they are really going to go. That's why 280 is in your future. Remember that. Anything you buy, any stock, if you have a cash position and you own shares under 269, excuse me, you are a winner. You will make money. You are in a buying opportunity. I don't care if you buy at 250, 260, 200, or 184.50 if you get that lucky. All I know is you're going to make money if you don't panic and give your shares away. Grandpa don't give his shares away. Now, when I day trade tomorrow, that's a different game. Okay, there I'm in and out. I'm just watching my short-term blinking near up, watching it go up and down on my blinking, and that's how Grandpa day trades. Okay, and it's not hard. You can make your couple hundred, 500, 700, 7,000 a day, and everybody's happy. Okay, 4 hour. 4 hour, we got whatever. We're still on a buy signal into 4 hour. So, and let's see, the daily. Oh, still a buy signal. Hey, look at the hammer on that thing. You know, that's a good sign for going up. Uh, and you know, I look at multiple candle charts at the same time, and they 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 all vary a little bit, but they pretty much tell Grandpa the same story. And we're actually still in a sell signal in the daily. We do not have a clean buy signal, but this candle here can easily take us up in the 220 through 30 area if it wants to, and still be a sell signal. So don't worry about that. It's the daily. And then we have the weekly. And the weekly is still a sell signal, but they sure pushed her back up here. You see that long wick on the bottom? They liked that Fed decision, and they drove her back up today, guys. And this candle should be red by the end of the week unless it really gets wild tomorrow. I think this weekly candle here won't finish until Friday, so we have tomorrow. They could turn it green. They still could turn it green. But regardless, even if they turned it green, we're still in a sell signal in the weekly. The weekly, this the weekly can bring us to 101.07. 101.07. Oh boy, what's going to come first? 101.07 or 280? Grandpa thinks that we're going to go to 280 first. Could Grandpa be wrong? Yes. Are we going to see 280 for sure? Absolutely. I'm not positive about that 101.07, but I think we're going to see it. I think we're going to see it in January or February sometime. But it's only my opinion, okay? So, tell your friends, tell your enemies, tell your relatives about my live stream. Give them the opportunity to look at Grandpa trading live. Let them watch Grandpa make money, show you how to make money live streaming, and they can learn about blinking. Grandpa can. I want you to do well. Okay, I want everybody to do well. Share this opportunity. If they don't see my live stream, I can't help them. That if they don't know about it, they can't see it. Most people aren't looking for some nut that makes money. Grandpa makes a lot of money. Murphy, quit crying. Murphy's crying. Oh, he wants to go out. He's in his pen. Oh, quit crying, Murphy. Poor Murphy. He wants to go run around. He wants to run around and play. Oh, quit crying, Murphy. He got sprayed by a skunk the other day. Man, what a good thing Grandma knows what she's doing. Okay, 9:30 tomorrow morning. We'll see if Grandpa can do it or not. They're still blinking at the 273.80 range. They're shorting, they're selling in advance, and they're going to go up there and they're going to activate it all the way into 280 and beyond. 283, they were up in the 320 range for weeks after hours. I think we're going to see all of that. I think we're going to see all of that. So what's Grandpa say now? Grandpa says, Murphy, quit crying. Be a good puppy. He's crying because he wants to go play. Okay. All good things are from the Lord. God bless you. And we'll see you. This is my last live stream until tomorrow morning. I'm going to come on about 9:30, maybe a few minutes before. And we're going to stay on until, oh, Murphy's really getting excited now. Bye-bye. God bless you. All good things are from the Lord.